Hey guys, Raiminee back with another Dollar Tree haul video. If you are new to my channel, welcome, and if you are already a subscriber, welcome back. So let's get started. As you know, I'm gonna start doing Dollar Tree hauls, and this is the second one. And again, I am a little bit excited about this one because I think that I found some pretty good deals there, which I hope that you find just as exciting and interesting as I do. So without further ado, here we are. I've been trying to eat a little bit better, and one of the things that helps me is when I meal prep and plan my meals out. I prefer to cook at home as opposed to going out and eating. And in order to cook, when you cook substantial amounts of food, or you want to make sure that you space your food out for 2 or 3 days at a time, or sometimes for the whole week, you want to make sure that you have the proper containers to hold your food. Now, a lot of people, they go on eBay or Amazon and they buy the food containers. Me, I go to the Dollar Tree because I think that you could do anything on any budget, and why pay more than $1 when you don't have to? Okay, that being said, we have the Crocker storage containers, little Tupperware containers. Now they do have maybe 4 or 5 different size containers. They come in packs of 3, so you have 3 packs. These right here are safe for microwave, freezer, dishwasher safe, and let's see, they also have little recipes on the back here also. Key West fruit salad. I won't be eating that. Does not sound appetizing to me. Anyhow, these right here are perfect for when you want to, you know, put like your lunch or your dinner that you prepared, or even like a breakfast, and go ahead and have 3 of them. In addition to that, I got the bowls, and these also come 3 in a pack. There are some, I believe, that had 2 in a pack, but the ones that I picked up, the Crocker, had 3 in a pack. And these again are microwave, freezer safe, also good for the dishwasher. And these are 27.7 fluid ounces. I plan to use these for salads because I don't like to have to remove my salad from a container that I don't want to have to remove my salad from, or even fruit really, from a container that I may need to heat up. Because something like this, I may put like spaghetti or chicken and vegetables in here, or rice and salmon or whatever, and then I want to have a nice salad, and it's like, okay, do I eat it cold, or do I have to remove my salad and put it on a separate plate? So this is a good way so that you can have your veggies, your cold veggies, or your fruit salad, and still have your hot food as well. So got 3 in each pack. I only got 1 of each of these because I already have some, but I think I may go back and get some other size containers. That way I'm set for the entire week, and I really only have to cook a good lunch or a dinner once a week and just have to worry about my breakfast every morning. Speaking of salad, they had these packs right here. Oh, I got it backwards, I'm sorry. Right here, and it's 12 little containers in there, which are perfect for like salad dressing perhaps, or even like sesame seeds or nuts or raisins. And you can also probably use them for like your vitamins, or your medication that you may take and throw in your purse, or keep in the car for, you know, some guys who don't carry a purse. They may be perfect for like your little kids or toddlers, like to keep a little snack, or even maybe baby formula even. I don't know, that might take like a serving of baby formula for like 1 bottle, which I think is perfect. And these are, by the way, BPA free, which I love. One thing about the Dollar Tree, if you read the labels, a lot of this stuff is BPA free, which is pretty awesome if you're like me and you're a little bit conscious about the environment and your health overall. And speaking of which, going along with the healthy eating thing, I found this cup. And this is a cup with a fruit infuser tumbler. It comes with a straw. There are a couple in the store that didn't have a straw in there, so if you see these in your Dollar Tree, make sure that you get the one with the straw. It's pretty sturdy. It's the hard plastic, and this one is, how many ounces? This is a 20-ounce tumbler. So it's just $1. I'm quite sure you can find these other places, but as for me, I know that I have a tendency to sit stuff down and I lose them. So $1 for me is perfect. I'm not even showing you guys what I'm doing. Anyhow, you screw the lid off, and here's the tumbler, and here is the glass or plastic, and this right here screws off. So there you have your two pieces. You put your fruit in here and screw the top back on. Add your water or your seltzer water, whatever you prefer, and there you have it. Got your tumbler. You're good to go. And for those of you who probably don't want fruit, you could probably even put like a couple ice cubes in there to keep your drink warm. I mean, warm, that doesn't make sense. Keep your drink cold, I meant. And there you have it. So you have your infused water for the spring and the summertime, and you have your tumbler so that you can have your ready-made meals already for work, or you know, whether you're going on a picnic or a day trip and you're not going to be home, or even if you're at home like I am and I just don't prefer to cook every day, but I could go and microwave my meal or warm it up and not have to worry about prepping anything. But anyhow, today's find, the deal of the week. Well, it's probably not the deal of the week. I'm quite sure they probably had these for a little while, but yes, the Jillian Michael DVDs. If you've been watching my videos, you may have seen these DVDs in a previous vlog where I went to the Dollar Tree and I said that I would go back and get them. So when I went back, it looks like everybody in the city probably had the same idea. However, I was able to grab 3 of the ones that I've really been wanting, and that is the 10-minute body transformation, which has the Pilo Hardcore Animal Style Lift and Yoga Stretch and Strengthening on it. It is next is the Killer Arms and Back, 3 30-minute workouts. It's supposed to guarantee that I'm gonna, you know, look tank top ready. So I guess we'll see about that in a few weeks. And then we have the Killer Abs, which Lord knows I need them. Killer Abs, 3 30-minute high octane workouts. And one thing I could say about Jillian Michaels, I'm not sure if you guys have worked out to her DVDs before or if you watched The Biggest Loser, but this chick scares me. But one thing I can say is that she gives results. I've done the 30-day shred, and I've also done, I can't think of the other one that I did, but a couple years ago. And when I say that she snatched me, she snatched me. My body was right. Now, I was in a little bit of pain, but it was worth it, you know. And to find these for $1, they're regularly like $9 or $10 at like Target and Walmart. So when I saw these at the Dollar Tree, I said I had to get them. I even sent one home to my cousin. But this right here, if you have these in your Dollar Tree, I suggest that you go get them now, because you know time is springtime. Everybody's trying to get summertime fine, and when you find a deal like this, it's just hard to pass up. So I believe they had maybe 7 or 8 different videos in my Dollar Tree. I did not try the other Dollar Trees in the area, but if they're in your area, I suggest it's the perfect gift, the perfect thing for yourself. You know, go grab one for your girlfriends or your neighbor, and yeah, get started. So yeah, this was the find of the week. So with that being said, oh, I almost forgot. They have tote bags. I got this tote bag. They had them in, I believe, it was like a black and turquoise, and they also had like a blue and purple. But I really like this print right here. I think it's nice and cute. And I'll be using this for the farmer's market this spring and summer. And it's a nice size bag. Let's see if I can open it up. Tearing it up. Nice size bag. It's made of the same material that you're going to get at the grocery store when you go grocery shopping. And they're $1. So have a nice size bag, and I think I'll probably just use this one probably for my produce, because I already have a bag that I use for meat, and I may go back and get the other bags as well. But I think that's pretty cute. Let's see, like, you can be like a little bougie. Okay, so it doesn't really go up on the arm like I really want it to, but it's still cute, you know. I carry it. And it was only $1, so yeah. I think I did good overall, so I didn't spend too much this week, which is awesome, and I got everything that I needed that's going to be functional for me. Got storage containers, got little cups, got a tumbler, DVD so I can get my body right, and I managed to get a little tote bag that is cute for the spring and the summer, especially if you are one of those people who like to go to farmers markets and all of that. Anyhow, I've talked enough, so I hope you like this video. I hope that you go to your local Dollar Tree and see what they have in store for you. And as usual, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please hit the subscription button down below, as well as like, comment, and share this video. Until then, have a beautiful life and have a beautiful day, and thank you for watching. See you soon.